We now live a fast-paced life, constantly on the move. But in the pursuit of success and wealth, health is often neglected. We can pursue success, but we should also place importance on our health. So what can we do if we want to live a healthy life? We can be active and exercise regularly, and also consume food that is good for our health. DXN is committed to help you live a healthy life by providing Ganoderma-based products that will provide nourishment due to its many health properties. The species of Ganoderma used in DXN is Ganoderma lucidum, which is also known as reishi or lingxi. Lingxi has always been revered as a powerful herb. However, since its wild form is extremely rare, in ancient times, lingxi was only reserved for emperors and royalties. Nowadays, thanks to modern cultivation techniques of lingxi on hardwood logs, sawdust or wood chips, lingxi is available to everyone. With many Ganoderma products in the market, here are the reasons for choosing DXN. The DXN farm is considered the largest Ganoderma farm in the world. In DXN, lingxi is grown and produced under strictly controlled hygienic conditions and to local and internationally certified standards. Whether in the growing cycle or during the processing of DXN lingxi, DXN does not use chemicals, pesticides, artificial coloring and flavoring, or foreign substance. In addition, DXN does not use fertilizers, insecticides, or hormones. Only natural materials like rice chaff and sawdust are used. To ensure that the natural quality of Ganoderma is maintained during the cultivation process, DXN uses sawdust. In cultivating Ganoderma, first, the poly bags are filled with organic materials like sawdust. Then, closed tightly with plastic caps. Ganoderma spores are added in. The poly bags are then placed in a high-technology sterilization machine to be sterilized. In the growth of Ganoderma, DXN uses the suspension arrangement method to avoid invasion and contamination from unwanted materials. Using the tissue culture method, 1 million pieces of Ganoderma can be reproduced from a single mother plant. During the growing stages of Ganoderma, the color changes from white, yellow, to red. The red color shows that the Ganoderma has matured. only the best quality Ganoderma are harvested for production of DXN products. During the production stage, DXN utilizes a technique to preserve the active elements of Ganoderma. All these DXN products have been enhanced with the addition of Ganoderma, providing the nutrients your body needs for a healthy life. For your daily intake of Ganoderma, get these Ganoderma-based products from DXN.